Number 6. The Shine Kitchen Co. SES-100 Electric Spiralizer is a sleek and efficient addition to any culinary enthusiast's kitchen. With its compact dimensions of 8.5 L x 5.5 W x 13 H and lightweight 3-pound body, this automatic spiralizer is a convenient tool for food preparation. Crafted from durable plastic and stainless steel blades, this spiralizer's build quality ensures longevity and reliability. The round blade shape is designed to create consistent and precise spiral cuts, making it an ideal choice for culinary endeavors. The SES-100 is user-friendly, operating with the simple touch of a button. Its automatic mode streamlines the spiralizing process, saving time and effort in food preparation tasks. Furthermore, the hand-wash-only care instructions ensure that maintenance is straightforward and hassle-free. This product's bestsellers rank and positive customer reviews are testament to its quality and popularity among users. Overall, the Shine Kitchen Co. SES-100 Electric Spiralizer